You're recording it? Okay, good.
All right, you may be seated. And these gloves. The ones you bought today. These would fit the wear just as well.